Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow our applications to access our call logs in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To manually add application permissions to access our call logs, we have to go to Settings, then we're looking for Security and Privacy options here, and under Privacy we have Permission Manager. In Permission Manager, we are looking for call logs. As you can see, now 8 out of 10 installed apps have access to our call logs. To add more, we simply tap the application we want to allow access, yes please, back out, and now our chosen application is allowed to use our call logs again. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.